I am Mohammed Khaled Zubair. I made this video for all. This style of cooking was defined by the use of high-quality, fresh ingredients, lighter meals, and simpler yet breathtaking presentations. Modern French cooking draws inspiration from the many cooking concepts French chefs have developed and presented. Despite new trends, hype and marketing, tradition has never been stronger. In France, good food still means authentic cooking by using natural products from diverse regions. This is how we celebrate human being by offering the best food to all our senses. Cooking homemade food and eating at the table make your appetite grow stronger. The challenge is to combine ingredients together to get the best taste out of them. However, anyone from anywhere can explore the world of French cooking. To start with, let's find out what French people enjoy to eat. Here are the top 10 most popular recipes in France. Roast chicken. Indeed, roast chicken is not a notorious French recipe but cooked everywhere around the world from Asia and Africa to America. However, it is the most popular French dish. Roast chicken is not stuffed inside. The secret is to baste the poultry several times during roasting with butter and cooking oil and to add an onion in the roasting pan. Roast chicken is traditionally served with potatoes and green beans. Both